cannon batteries placed to protect the town of St. Michael's from British attack during the War of 1812. Well, all three of those batteries came into great use when early in the morning of August 10th of 1813, the British sent 11 small ships up the, what at that point was known as the St. Michael's River. It's called the Miles River today.
It's 184.5 miles long, and it also means an elevation of about 605 feet.
Last other thing, and I don't know whether you know it or not, but our great-granddaddy is Jim Benson. He rode a donkey or a mule from the Georgia line to Toccoa, preacher, circuit riding preacher.
And these guys are the ones that started Rolling Thunder, Walt Sides right here. He's a Bronze Star. He's a Purple Heart. He's a sniper. And he's a Marine.
Bringing in the seed, we come rejoicing, bringing in the seed, bringing in the seed, yeah, that's the old hymn.
How you doing? What's your name?
I'm the truth conductor. If I had something negative, man, my bucket would be full. But you notice I'm standing out here with a positive message, and people will walk by me like ain't nothing going on in the world.